Welcome to the first tutorial of 2025. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this easy Siren eye look. This look is all about elongating your eyes, which will change the way it looks. So if you're ready, let's get into today's video. To start off, we're going to be using the Trini London Just a Touch concealer, and this is in the shade Sanda. I like applying this all over the eyes, but this one can also be used as a foundation. A multi-use product for sure. Next, I'm going in with the Inglot Gold and Gifts eyeshadow palette and going in with this matte shade, and with the E25 Sigma brush, let's apply that on the eye. Make sure all your movements are outwards and upwards. This will ensure you get a lifted look. You can build up the color as much as you like, but keep it as minimal as possible. Now with the deeper shade and with the Refer brush, which is a bit more precise, let's apply that to exactly where we did the previous shade. This step will give your eyes a bit more definition. Again, remember to keep the movements upwards and outwards. Build it up till it's slightly smoky because we're going to add the next step. Now I'm using any black eyeliner. This is the Bobbi Brown waterproof black eyeliner, and I feel that this is smudge proof and it's also waterproof. Take that and start creating a slight wing. Apply some eyeliner towards the top lashes too. Now with an eyebrow brush from Jessup, which is E07, let's blend that out. You don't have to be too precise with this, because this step we are smoking out the eye look. Always tightline the upper lash line too, just where we stopped the previous step. And apply the eyeliner to the half of the bottom lash line. Don't go any further. Do the same towards the inner corner as well. Focus on where I'm placing the eyeliner because this will change the way your eyes will look. Now with the shade Renegade, let's go and smoke that out. I'm using the Refer 03 brush here. Do that on the lower lash line too. And now for the wing, I like to use a very precise fine brush. I like going in with any eyebrow brush. And let's tightline the upper lash line and also bring out the wing. The slimmer, the better. Now for the inner corner, just bring it out slightly as well. Do that on both the lash lines. Back in with this matte shade, go in with a blending brush and apply that on the bottom lashes. This will just give you continuity in the look. Using the MAC concealer, I'm going to be cleaning out the wing. For this step, make sure you're using a flat brush and blend that out onto the skin. Now take your lash curler and I want you to angle it outwards and curl your lashes. Don't tug the eye or pull any lashes out. Going in with the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara, which will give me extreme volume, I'm going to be applying this in outward direction too. The best part of this mascara is that it doesn't clump up at all, but gives you insane volume and length. And on the bottom lash line, apply it outwards too. And towards the inner corner, you want to bring it slightly down. And there you have it, guys. That's the easiest beginner-friendly Siren eye look. I hope you enjoyed my first video of 2025. And if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. See you guys again. Bye.